Hey, bestie, it's your health accountability buddy checking in. Yes, I'm back again, and I'm here to lovingly drag you into taking better care of yourself today. Look, I know life is a whole circus sometimes. One minute you're fine, and the next minute your body is tired for absolutely no reason, hungry for no reason, irritated for every reason. Meanwhile, your health is standing somewhere in the corner, like, hello, can I also get attention, please? But listen, taking care of yourself doesn't mean stress. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need to turn into a fitness influencer overnight. You don't even need to start eating leaves like a confused herbivore. Sometimes it's just the little things. Sip water like a human being, not a dried plant. Move your body a bit so your bones don't start sounding like Wi-Fi trying to connect. Sleep. Yes, actual sleep, not scroll until your soul leaves your body. Here's the truth nobody says loudly enough. Healthy habits don't make life boring. They make life easier. Easier mornings, easier moods, easier breathing, easier everything. And imagine this, waking up and your body actually whispers, "Good morning, my love," instead of, stand up slowly before we both collapse. You deserve to feel good from the inside out. That's why I'm here. Not to lecture you, but to remind you that you matter. Your health matters. Your future matters. Now, before you run away, hold on. Yes, I see you about to scroll. Pause. Freeze. Don't move. This is the perfect moment to subscribe. And not because I'm chasing big numbers or trying to make my ego dance Afrobeats. No. It's because every time you subscribe, you're sending a message to your future self. I'm choosing to take my health seriously. I'm choosing motivation. I'm choosing support. I'm choosing me. Plus, you'll get more reminders, more science-backed tips, more laughs, more stories, all delivered in a way that feels like a friend talking to you, not a textbook shouting at you. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Your body will thank you, your future will thank you, and I'll be right here, cheering for you, motivating you, and dragging you gently whenever you forget. Because your health isn't just important, it's your real life superpower. Use it well.